Hi, today we'll be working on lesson 20 for first graders. Alright, so for the first page, we'll be using a picture graph or a bar graph to answer the questions. So number one, how many boxes of cookies did K sell? So we go to K, and these are the number of boxes that K sold. So if you look, it ends at 7. So it looks like he sold 7 boxes of cookies. On number two, how many boxes of cookies did Tim sell? Tim sold 1, 2, 3, 4. Tim sold 4 boxes of cookies. How many boxes of cookies did Tim and Jeff sell in all? So Tim sold 4, and since it's in all, we have to add. And then we have to find how many Jeff sold, which was 1, 2. So they sold 4 plus 2, which is 6 in all. Number 4, how many boxes of cookies did Chris and Jeff sell altogether? Jeff sold 2, like the other problem. So it's 2 plus how many Chris sold. So Chris sold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Chris sold 8 boxes altogether. So it's 2 plus 8, and that gives us 10. And number 5, Chris sold more boxes of cookies than Tim. How many more boxes of cookies did Chris sell? So this time we're subtracting how many Chris sold, which was 8 boxes, minus the number of Tim sold. Tim sold 4. So we have to do 8 minus 4, and that leaves us with 4. So Chris sold 4 more boxes of cookies than Tim. Number 6, how many boxes of cookies did Tim and Kay sell in all? In all again, which indicates addition. So Tim sold 4, and then Kay sold 7. So you have to do 7 plus 4, and that gives us 11. So they sold 11 cookies in all. Okay, the next one is also just going to be using bar graphs to answer the questions. So number 1, how many children like blue? So we look at blue, and there was 25 children who like blue. Number 2, how many children like purple? Purple, there were 20. Number 3, how many children like green? We look, and there's 15. 15 children like green. And then number 4, which color got the most votes? If we look here, it looks like red got the most votes with 35. So for number 4, the answer is red. Which color got the fewest votes? If we look here, you can see that green, which had 15, had the fewest votes. So for number 5, the answer is green. Okay, number 6, how many children like purple and blue? So since it says and, we have to add. So it's an addition problem, and we have to count the number of people who like blue and purple. So for blue, there are 25 people who liked blue, and purple, there were 20. So you have to do 25 plus 20. And 25 plus 20 is 45. Okay, number 7. More children like red than green. How many more children like red? So since it's red more than green, we have to subtract. So there were 35 people who liked red, and we have to subtract it by the number of people who like green, which was 15. So we do 35 minus 15, and that leaves us at 20. So there are 20 more children who like red. Okay, the next one is finding each difference. So find each difference. We can read this over here. It says, think of addition doubles facts to find subtraction doubles facts. So basically 12 minus 6 is equal to 6, which means 6 plus 6 is equal to 12. So, and then also it says, think of addition doubles plus 1 facts to find subtraction doubles plus 1 facts. So as you can see, 13 minus 6 equals 7. You can find it by doing 6 plus 6, which is equals to 12. So you add one more to get 13. And then the same thing is 13 minus 6 equals 6 plus 1. But we'll just find the difference. So number 1, 14 minus 7 is 7. 12 minus 6 is 6. 10 minus 5 is 5. 16 minus 8 is 8. And 18 minus 9 is 9. Okay, number 6, 15 minus 7 is 8. 13 minus 6 is 7. 11 minus 5 is 6. 17 minus 8 is 9. And 17 minus 9 is 8. Okay, number 11. 15 minus 8 is 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. 11 minus 6 is 5. Find the missing number in each problem. Remember the addition and subtraction facts. So again, this will just be simple adding and subtracting. 7 plus 3 is 10. Oh, and I'll just go through the answers so you can pause it to do it all before I show the answers. Number 2, 5 plus 6 is 11. 8 plus 9 is 17. 12 minus 8 is 4. 18 minus 9 is 9. 15 minus 8 is 7. 8 plus blank equals 9. So basically we have to do the opposite, which is 9 minus 8 is 1. So we have to do 8 plus 1 equals 9. 11 minus 9 equals 2. And then 14 minus 5 is 9. So 5 plus 9 is 14. Number 10, 13 minus 8 gives us 5. Number 11, 14 minus 8 is 6. 13 minus 7 is also 6. So the next one is find sums and differences. So there are columns and we have to do it for each number. So number 1, 10, and then we have to subtract 5. So 10 minus 5 is 5. 13 minus 5 is 8. 11 minus 5 is 6. 14 minus 5 is 9. And we'll do the last column and that'll be all. So this time we have these numbers are here. We have to add 8. 6 plus 8 is 14. 8 plus 8 is 16. 8 plus 7 is 15. And 9 plus 8 is 17.